minute. Okay, so just give me 1 minute of time so that I can pull out the data for you. And I'll be telling you what are the things you would need to learn DevOps in SRE. Okay, awesome. Right. Very good. Very good to see you all this evening. Just give me 1 minute of time so that I can pull out. Okay, very good evening and good to see you all this evening. Okay, awesome. So let me share my screen. Let's start the session. Okay, shall I share my screen? 1, 2, 3. Let's start the session and roll out the things for your learning. I'm very much excited. So let me share my screen, right? Just 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. No problem, guys. No problem. Just wait. Just wait. Okay, awesome. Awesome. So you guys are great. You guys are doing good. So let's start the session. Today is session 1, which you are watching me, right? So in this session 1, we will be discussing deep dive into DevOps and SRE concepts. And few of the things I would like to tell you all. You all can chat with me. I am able to see everyone's chat. Okay. So don't worry that whether I'm missing your chat or I'm not taking care of your chats, I can see everyone's of chat, those who are watching me. Let's say Prabhu Kalyan, Jagdish, Admin, Sagar, everyone's chat I'm able to see. Okay. Clear? So let's start the session. No recordings will be provided because this is completely free session. Okay, so no recordings will be provided. You have to watch this live completely. Okay, so let me tell you what are the things in this live you will get. Shall we start the class? Yes, you all are ready. Great, awesome. So let's start the class. Today is session 1 of Linux plus DevOps. Okay, so I will introduce myself. Those who don't know me, let me tell you about myself. First, you all should know about me. Okay, and at the end of the class, we will have a discussion, Q&A discussion. Okay, so let's talk about myself. Okay, this is Praveen here. Okay, right, and I have worked in various kinds of company. I started my career with Infosys. Okay, with a package of 3 LPA. Okay, I started my journey with Infosys as a Java developer, pure Java developer. Okay, so here I have worked with the accounts called Toyota. Okay, Toyota Motor Sales. You would have seen like in USA and other region how Toyota is famous for its vehicle. So I was kind of a Java developer. Okay, and then gradually moved my resume to DevOps. Okay, right? So I got placed in 2016 from the campus placements. Okay, I belong to a tier 3 college. All these things I am telling you because you should know me as a mentor. Okay, which college I belong, how I learned year to year, what offers I cracked, how much package. You all should know, right? How much package I am at now, what I am going to tell you. All those things you should know or not. Yes, before we start the session, you should know about me so that I can tell you everything in detail. Okay, very important. You should know about me. That's very, very important, right? So I started my career in 2016 with 3 LPA. Okay. And I used to get around 22,000 in hand. Okay. So very, very important here, 22,000 in hand. And I started as a Java developer, gradually moved as a DevOps engineer. And they didn't stop there. They moved me as a DBA, and I also worked as a tester. So in Infosys, multiple domains I have worked. So if you see my resume, if you ask my any of the previous students, like how I make my resume, what are the things that I have done with my resume, you will understand that in my resume, there will be a Java project, there will be a DevOps project, there will be a DBA project, and there will be a tester project. So among all these 4 domains, I liked DevOps. Okay, right? I like DevOps. So what I did, I jumped to the next company called Cognizant. How many of you have heard this? Cognizant, you all have heard, right? So Cognizant gave me around, can you expect the hike? I worked till 2019 in Infosys. Okay, 2016 to 2019, I worked in Infosys. And 2019, I joined Cognizant. So can you tell me how much Cognizant package would have given me? Any idea? No idea? Any idea? No idea. Okay, let me tell you. Cognizant has given me almost like 250% hike. Okay, at that point of time. So my package was around 8 LPA. You can expect almost like 200 250% hike almost. Okay. So my package was how much? 8 LP. Okay. So very interestingly, I joined as a associate in Cognizant, associate DevOps engineer in Cognizant. And here comes the twist. I worked in Cognizant for how many months? Only 2 months. Okay. I worked in Cognizant for 2 months. And in those 2 months, I was not given a project. I was completely on bench. I was going to the office, swipe in, swipe out. Okay. So I was not having a project. And the only product company which I applied during my job search was Verizon. And fortunately, I got the call from Verizon. I told them that Verizon is my dream company. If you give me a package of 8 LPA, I'm going to join. So I gave the interview, okay, and got selected in Verizon. And within 2 months, I put down the paper. They gave me a notice period of 7 days because I joined in 1 month itself. I asked for 14 days of notice period. I served there for 14 days. I didn't absconded from that company, and I got a package of 10 LPA. Are you all clear? In Verizon. So in Verizon, the 10 LPA package, along with that, I got free hotel stay. Okay, free hotel, 5-star hotel I got. I got free cab facility. I got free location, free relocation bonus. Okay. I got some stocks. Okay. So can you tell me which company gave me the maximum profit here? Can you all tell me, those who are watching me, maybe off screen, on screen, can you all tell me which company gave me the maximum benefit? And in this company, my position was software DevOps engineer 2, okay, SDE 2, right? And if you see here with the package, all these things were amazing. So I moved from Chennai to Hyderabad. Okay, so they gave me all the relocation bonus, cabs and hotel. So after that, joining Verizon, I completely moved into DevOps and cloud space. Okay, are you guys getting me? I completely changed my resume as a DevOps and cloud engineer and worked on automations, worked on cloud. Okay, so here comes your automation, the large scale automations for 5G, 4G networks. 5G, 4G networks. I used to work as a DevOps engineer, worked on CI/CD pipelines, okay, worked on cloud technology because Verizon was purely on AWS, worked on Kubernetes, worked on your Linux platforms mostly because some 3G, 2G applications were also there. 3G applications were also there, which were undergoing migration for 4G and 5G at that point of time, right? So that was a large scale projects which I have handled, and I got here 5 awards, okay, for my automations and all the things that I have done. So here comes the next move. In 2021, almost after 2 years, I got almost 15 to 20 offers from various companies. You can name the companies. Some of the companies I have offers: SAP, Informatica. Just for your information, you can take a note down of all these company names. HCL, again, I got Capgemini here, Dun& Bradstreet in Hyderabad. You have Paytm, okay? You have many other companies in this list, okay? So all this list is there, like 15 to 20 offers I got. Along with that, yeah, Amazon was there and Walmart was there. So can you tell me which company I have selected among these? Any idea? So in all this offers, which company I selected? Any idea? Any idea? Just give me a random guess. All of your chats are visible to me. So that is very important. You should understand. Okay. Which company? Any idea? Just 1 second. Okay. Yes. So many of you are correct. Okay. So just 1 second. Okay. Okay, so you all are correct. I chose the company as Walmart. Okay, so very interestingly, I joined Walmart and it was again a game changer. And after that, you all know I have been teaching from last 3 years. Okay, I left Walmart. I have been teaching for last 3 years and all those things. So how many of you want to know what is the salary at Walmart? Yes, you all are already commenting. What is okay? So I'll tell you at the end of the session. Okay. So those who want to know like all these offer letters, what are the salaries and all those things, I'll tell you at the end of the session. So don't worry. Apart from this, we will also discuss many things. Okay. Right. So shall we move to the actual class? Now you know me. I have almost like 3 lakh community of DevOps across LinkedIn. You can see, find me in LinkedIn with the name Praveen Singamcollab. Okay. And you can see my YouTube channel. Okay. So I have almost 1.3 lakh people on LinkedIn, almost 1 lakh people on 2 YouTube channel, and almost 1 lakh people on Instagrams. Okay. So all these people are with me. You can see anytime. Okay. So now let's start. Very important. What is DevOps? Very, very important. So today's session, we will try to understand slowly. We will move into what is DevOps, why anyone wants to learn. And very important, those who are staying in the session till the end, you are going to get some documents, some drive links, which I will share with you. Attendance will be taken and recordings will not be provided. Okay, so that is important, right? So what is DevOps? Any idea? Many people tell about DevOps is a combination of development plus operations, right? Have you heard this book term? DevOps is nothing but you do development plus operations. We all have been listening from our childhood that, okay, was DevOps is all about like development plus operations. But the truth is not that. Okay. DevOps is all about this flow, which I will write now. Please write in your notebook. All of you, please write so that you can tell anyone like no book knowledge, only about the brain knowledge. Like write it. What is DevOps? DevOps is all about leadership skills. DevOps is all about learning cloud. DevOps is all about learning about tools. DevOps is all about learning about automations. DevOps is all about learning about what is that? Troubleshooting. Very, very important. DevOps is all about learning troubleshooting. Okay. About communication skills. How do you communicate with your team? How do you tell your team that boss, something is going here and there? DevOps is all about Linux. DevOps is all about SRE monitoring, correct? DevOps is all about system design. Very much interesting, right? These all terms. I know many of you would have not expected like system design. How can it come system design into DevOps? No, boss, in today's time, DevOps is all about coding, hardcore coding. Okay, right? So what is DevOps? In your term, what is DevOps? DevOps is understanding about leadership skills, cloud, understanding tools, automations, troubleshooting, communication skills, coding, Linux, SRE monitoring, and system design. And there are many, many things. Do you agree with me? What is DevOps? Do you guys agree with me? What I have written here, is that true or not? Yes, obviously. It's true. DevOps is a combination. Why? People usually say this book knowledge, but that is not the fact. In today's time, yes, containerization, you can write many other fields like this. People are telling one by one, like containers, Kubernetes, all these fields, coding. Yes, obviously, if you want to get DevOps job in 2026, Terraform, coding, infrastructure as a code, security, reliability, all those things, this everything will form as a DevOps. Okay. Have you understood what is DevOps? If tomorrow someone asks, what is DevOps? You have to tell DevOps is a combination where an engineer learns about coding, cloud, tools, deployment activities, leadership skills, Linux, SRE monitoring, system design, containerization. Have you all understood what is DevOps? Very simple. I have given you a clear, bigger picture. Clear, everyone? The combination of different platforms. It's a culture. Obviously, it's a culture. It's a work that you do with other members. But what is in the holistic view is the combination of all these things. Have you got it? Very interesting, right? You need to know coding. So many of you might be thinking that coding, I don't know coding, but no, you need to know coding. Many of you will think that system design. I don't want to know system design, but the truth is you need to know system design. Have you all understood what I told? What is DevOps? Whenever someone asks you, don't tell the bookish knowledge, tell what you are learning. Very, very impact. If you are a fresher, if you tell, hi, this is Suhani here. DevOps is a combination of cloud, learning tools, automation, SRE, monitoring, system design, and Linux. And I have done 3-4 projects on these terms. If you tell proudly about these things, the impact in the interview will be different. If you do the eye contact, I told you, right? Leadership skills. If you do the eye contact, that will be different effect. If you talk very loudly, communication skills, that will impact your interview and you are going to get selected, right? So all these things play a vital role in your job. Okay. So if you have understood this, let me tell you very, very important thing. That is your Linux. How many of you are from non-IT? Tell me now. How many of you are non-IT here? You are non-IT? Non-IT. Many people are non-IT. Tell me how many of you are non-IT people who are watching me from across platforms. I want to know the non-IT people who are with me right now. Yes, many of you are non-IT. I can see like Kalyan, Satyanarayana, Bindu, Deepa, all are non-IT people here. Let me tell you, the first step for a non-IT engineer or for a fresher. How many of you are fresher, by the way? Non-IT with age 34, BTech, right? Fresher peoples are here. Many of you are fresher and looking out for job. I really know that. So the first step towards your job switch, you want to do the job switch, that is your Linux. Please write down, all of you, those who have notebook today, my small request to everyone, this is my LinkedIn ID. What you have to do simply today, I will tell you one thing. I don't know how many of you are using LinkedIn, but LinkedIn has given me all the opportunities. And I would like to tell you all today, those who are watching me, if you have found this session helpful, if you have learned something today, please do this with me. Tag me and share your thoughts. So let's understand. I learned what is DevOps with at Praveen Singampalli, okay, and at Hey DevOps. If you do this, this will be your first post. Take a screenshot of anything. Let's say I am teaching you something. What is DevOps? Take the screenshot, put it, start creating content. This will be your first step. That if anyone sees what happens, that fear is there, na? Many of you have a fear. Like if I tell something to the people, what they will do? They will judge me. They think that I'm not good. All those fear from today's class, it should be gone. Are you guys getting me? Aisha or SK, Sheikh. Yes, you all have fear. If other person sees, what will happen, right? So what you guys do, you guys can take a screenshot, tag me with your post, and it will come to know, I will acknowledge you. Okay. You can also share the website link, right? For the people, you all have joined Zoom. Others might not know. Let's help them. Okay. So you can put a website and you can tell that, hey boss, I am going to learn these things. Very interesting, right? Great. Awesome. So how many of you are going to do today the LinkedIn post? How many of you are going to acknowledge this class? Yes. Start your LinkedIn journey. I would like to see after 9 p.m., all of your LinkedIn posts should tag me and I should acknowledge, okay, this student, Baggu Jagdish is my student, Vasanta is my student, Ravish Puri is my student, Sri Krishna is my student, Pravalika, Likit, you all are my students. Okay, right. So let's start. What is Linux? Very important, guys. I'll tell you very simple things to understand. Please write down this flow diagram. With this flow diagram, we are going to analyze the skeleton of Linux. Okay, so try to understand what is Linux today. Linux is very simple. You all have joined my session from Windows laptop. Yes, do you guys agree with me? You all have joined from a Windows laptop, right? in my terms, when I am teaching you all, I will simply say one thing. I will say Linux is equal to your Windows laptop. Do you guys agree with me? You are not agreeing? So shall I make you all agree? Yes. So all of you see here, I will give a differentiation to you. Okay. And you can agree with me or disagree with me. It's up to you. Okay. Shall we see the difference? What is Linux? So before that, let me tell you, please understand the Windows has a screen. Yeah. The Windows has a screen. Yes. Windows screen, the monitor. Windows has a monitor. Yes. Windows has a monitor. Windows has a folder structure. Yes, Windows has folder. If we save it, Windows has disks. Your laptop has disk. D drive, E drive, F drive, G drive. Yes. Your laptop has users, right? Your admin, normal user, correct? Yes or no? What else your Windows system have? Windows has security. Can I say Windows has networking also? From where you are watching me today, your laptop is connected to a network. Correct? Yes or no? You all are agreeing with me or not? Windows has a monitor, Windows has a folder structure, disk management, user management, security, networking, all those things. What else? What else Windows has? Anything? Can you tell me? What else? Windows has firewall. Okay, good. What else? Windows has softwares. Good. Windows needs updates. Like, have you done patching? Like updates. You do na software updates and all those things. Windows has a CLI, like the CMD command prompt. Yes. What else Windows have? Can you all tell me? Great. That's what I was looking for. RAM, CPU, correct? Memory, correct? What else Windows has? PowerShell. Beautiful, beautiful. PowerShell. 20. Windows has tasks and services. Right? What else? 21. Anything? Environment parameters. Beautiful. Windows has task manager. Yes. What else? Quickly. Control panel. Beautiful. 23. Control panel. Okay, fine. Okay, I will do this one also. Background processes for your happiness. Okay, right. Yes, storage I have written. Storage I have not written. No problem. I will write storage again. So 25 parameters we have taken on Windows side. Shall we compare with Linux? Are you all ready? I will make this class very easy for you. You will remember Linux if you are going for the interview, because I'm going to share troubleshooting scenarios. All those things I will share. Ram, it is the issue from your end. Please sort it out. All the people are able to see my screen and hear me. Shall we see the same terms in Linux side? Yes. Very easy. Very easy. That is what your Linux will be. Right? Okay. So let's do this. All of you see here. Linux has a screen. Linux has a screen. Yes. Yes, Linux has a screen. So let's say like you are able to see some monitor. When you're clicking your system, you have some screen. Okay. I will say like command line or the black screen. Correct? Terminal. Yes, black screen. Or I can say like terminal. Okay. So Linux has a folder structure. Yes. Linux has a folder structure. Okay. Linux has disks. Yes. /xvda, xvdb. Okay. I will tell you what are this disks and all. Tell me quickly, Linux has users. Yes. Root user, normal user. Okay. Are you guys able to read my writing? Are you guys able to read my writing, handwriting? All of you are able to hear, clearly understand, na? No issues, right? Okay, write with me, make notes so that you can refer later. Okay, right. So tell me, Linux has security? Yes. Okay. What else? Sixth, networking. Obviously. Softwares, firewalls. Obviously. What else? Patching. Yes. RAM, CPU. Same. Here you have PowerShell. What is there in the Linux? What is there in the Linux? Here you have PowerShell. What is there in the Linux? You have Bash. Yes. Correct. Bash and shell. Correct. Okay. So what else you have? Here you have tasks and services. What is there in the Linux? Any idea? What is there in the Linux? Beautiful. Anything? Anything do you remember? Services is there. Yes. Okay. 12. Do you have environment parameters in Linux? Yes, boss, I have. You have background processes. Right? This is 13. Okay. 14. You have storage. So with this understanding, okay, I will just make it small. Can you tell me, with whatever I have written here, can I say Linux is equal to Windows? Do you guys agree with me or not? Like whatever the nomenclature I have written here, only one person is telling no in the entire class. Similar but equal. Okay, 1, 2, okay, 4, 5 people are telling no. See, what I meant is most of the things are common. Yeah, little bit differentiation is there, but most of the parameters, it is common. Yes. Right. So for your remembrance, what is Linux? Can you tell me what is Linux now? Little bit different only. Okay, I will write like this for your understanding. I will write approximately. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Approximately equal. Right? Close by, little bit similarities are there. Okay. Right. So can you all tell me what is Linux? Can you all tell me what is Linux? Yes. What is Linux? Okay. Linux is a combination. See, don't write textbook answers. Okay. Linux is a platform or an operating system which has the combination of all these things. Can you now openly tell what is Linux? Linux is a OS system which has the combination of folder management, disk management, user management, right? Terminal, folder management, disk management, user management, security, networking, firewalls, patching, RAM. Is it clear? Am I making sense? Please tell me yes or no. Just answer my question. Yes, you all are clear? What I told about Linux, is it clear to you? All of you? Yes, true, right? Whatever I am telling, is it making sense? Ultimately, the laptop which you are using is a Linux platform. You have to just think that way. And whenever someone asks, you have to reply to him in that way. Okay, right. So let's try to understand some things. Okay, so now all of you see here, when we talk about the Linux, what is the important component among all these things? Can you all tell me? Among all these things like terminal, folder, disk, users, security, networking, firewalls, what is the important component you would know? Like Blessy is telling like RAM, CPU. Some people are telling kernel. Some people are telling command line. But before we talk about all these things, have you understood the journey of Linux? Very, very important. Or you can say like the, the booting process of Linux. Please write down in your notebook. I will tell you again, please write everything in notebook. Okay. Clear, everyone? Please write everything on notebook. It will help you to learn later whenever you are like writing, whenever you are studying. it will help you a lot. Okay. So booting process of Linux, please write down, will consist of all these parameters, whatever you have seen. Okay. Whatever you have seen here, the booting process, the journey of Linux will consist of all the parameters. I will tell you now. Please write down, all of you. Okay. So just try to understand. Okay. I will write it here. I will put few blocks for our Linux journey for us to understand. Okay. Please see here. Okay. Now I will write something here. You tell me BIOS, MBR, grub, kernel. Okay. Now all of you see here. Do you think it is a cycle? Yes. I will tell you each block now. This is the life cycle of Linux. Whatever you have seen here, that the 15 components, right? Not 25, by the way, 15 components, whatever I have written here, all these components form this life cycle. Okay, so let's learn one by one what it does. So very interesting. See, BIOS is nothing but the basic input output of the system. Please try to understand the basic input output of system. All of you see here, what is BIOS, guys? What is BIOS? The basic input output of system. It tries to understand that how are you managing your Linux system? What are the signals that you are going to pass over this system? How the platform is working? Now, tell me, in Windows, have you heard beep sounds? Beep sounds. If your monitor is not good, have you heard beep sound? Like it will tell an error code. If your monitor is not working, it will give you one beep. If your storage, your hard disk is failure, it will give two beeps. Correct. So what is that? These all things comes from the BIOS platform. The BIOS checks all the system is correct or not. Okay. So once it is correct, all this BIOS, if it does that correctness, then the next step goes is your MBR. Are you writing with me, all of you? Are you all writing with me? Can you tell me, can you guys confirm me that you are writing with me? It's very important, okay, for everyone to upskill, okay? Very, very important. So if you want to upskill, it will play a crucial role. Right, you all are writing. Very good. Yes, making notes. Awesome. So people on this platform, Zoom, I would sincerely request, please write everything on the notebook. Okay, great. Now, what is MBR? Any idea? Have you heard about MBR? Master Boot Record. Have you heard about this? Master Boot Record. What it does? You have not heard? You have not heard, guys? No? Yes? Okay, so many of you are telling you have not heard about this. So let me tell you. Okay, so MBR is nothing but, tell me, when your system is booting up, your system needs certain files. Can I say like it needs some bootable files? Yes, it needs some push for the bootable files to load. So it will be basically a 512 MB space. It will be of a 512 MB space where your bootloader files will be present. Booting means system is coming up. Booting, your system is coming up. The car is getting booted. The car is coming like starting, right? It's getting like started. Okay, so 512 MBR space is for bootable files. All the engine related things for a Linux system will be here, like a dependency to load. Yes, like a dependency to load, you can understand. Now, once the dependencies are collected for the system to come up, the next is like kernel selection, correct? Which OS to select? Very, very important, right? Do you think that it's important? Which OS I need to select? Yes. So tell me, I will give you one question now. I have a Windows laptop. I have two OS in Windows laptop. So do you think that both the OS will run in the Windows laptop in one single laptop? Do you think that? How many of you say yes? Both the win. Okay, I will change my question in this way. I will ask you like this, okay? Will the two OS run at the same time? Run at same time, how many of you say? No? You all agree with me? No two OS can run at same time. Correct. You all are correct. Awesome. But tell me, can two OS resides in the same system? Yes, obviously. The two OS can obviously resides in the same system. So that is where the kernel selection comes via the grub. So what is grub, guys? All of you? Grub is the grand unified boot loader. It will select which kernel, which OS the system should run. Very, very important. You can say this is the heart of the Linux. Okay, the grub, the grand, that's why the name is called grandeur effect, the grand unified bootloader. Very powerful and very impactful. Okay, once your kernel is selected, your kernel gets loaded up. And after that, you already aware your CPU, your memory, your systems, your processes, your tasks, and your system will be up. So do you think that whatever we have written here, all of these things are coming in this architecture? Yes or no? Like the cycle is getting repeated with these things, whatever we have discussed. How many of you say yes? Yes, Praveen, whatever you have told is correct. Yes, bhai, aap jo bole na sahi hai. నువ్వు ఏవైతే చెప్పావో అది correct. Yes, you all agree with me, right? Good. Now the beauty is once your system is up, you are going to be a Linux admin, correct? Once your system is on, here, your system is ready. System is on. So you are going to become a Linux system admin at this point of time. Yes, once your system is up, you're going to do the system admin work. Shall we deep dive into the system admin work? Yes or no? Yes. Shall we deep dive into the system admin work? How many of you say that, okay, we have started the class, by the way, and we are already half away. Shall we start the system admin work? How many of you say yes? Yes, yes, yes. Quickly, quickly. Chat, 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 chat. Awesome, awesome. Right. So let's deep dive into the Linux system admin work, and you will be amazed to see different things here. Okay. So let's start the Linux admin activities. So from here, if you are seeing, I'm creating a bridge for you. The day one is a bridge class for you to understand what are the things that are primarily needed for you. You guys are understanding, right? The way I am teaching, basics, little bit like step by step. You understood some things. You understood what is DevOps. We took a branch from the DevOps. See, the branch, I am telling you again, I have taken this Linux branch today and I am deep diving into the Linux branch. Yes. Then I told you about the comparison. Then from here, I have told you that it's a life cycle. And from here, I am taking you into the admin work. Yes. So now let's try to understand your Linux admin work. Okay. So Linux admin work is also dependent on these things. So very important, put a 5-star here. Whenever you are learning Linux, may it be the interview questions, may it be your troubleshooting activities, may it be you are working on a Linux system, all those things will be primarily given importance here. Yes, is that make sense to you all? Okay, good. So now let's try to understand the Linux system admin work, and then we will move to the core components. Okay, so all of you see here, the primary work of the Linux system admin work is user management, same only. Okay, user management, disk management, security management, firewall management, network management, patching management, CPU, RAM management, application management, monitoring management. Yeah, patching management, software installation management. Okay, you know all these things, but can you tell me there is one more work that a Linux admin does? Any idea? These all things are for, these all things, can you tell for how many Linux systems these all things I have written? Okay, can you tell me like all these terms, whichever I have written, all of you, please tell me, you have to chat with me, okay? So that I can understand you guys are understanding me. Okay, that's very important. It should be a two-way communication. Okay, so please see here. So you all are able to understand, right? Very good. Very good. Awesome. This is for how many Linux systems? Can you tell me? One, you all are agreeing with me? Okay, this is for one Linux system. Now, if I have a cluster of Linux systems, let's say 10, which are together. So do you think that as a Linux admin, I need to perform cluster administration? Have you heard about this term? Linux cluster administration. Have you heard about this term? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Now, please chat with me. Have you ever heard? No? You have not heard? Okay. Linux cluster management, you have not heard. Please tell me yes or no, very genuinely. If you are in the class, I need a yes or no. You can chat with me, right? I can see everyone's chat popping up on my screen. Like it will like popping up everywhere. Okay. So almost 90% of the students in the class are not knowing the Linux cluster management, right? No problem. No problem. That's completely fine. Those who don't know, that's completely fine. We are here to learn. Correct? Okay, no issues. So shall we first learn the one Linux admin work, and then we will go to the Linux cluster admin work. Is it clear? Done. You all are with me. Yes? So don't worry. First, we will talk about one Linux admin work. Okay? Yes. So whenever you are going to learn about anything in the DevOps, what are the two important fields you need to consider when you are learning DevOps? Can you tell me? Maybe DevOps, maybe Linux, maybe cloud, maybe SRE, anything. What are the two things that you should focus on? Any idea? People watching me, you can like the video, right? You have a heart symbol on the Zoom. You have a heart symbol on the other platform. Is there any smileys? Okay, yes. Go ahead. Definitely. You have. Okay, done. So all of you see here, in the one Linux admin work or one DevOps work, anything you say, very important is commands. What is the other thing in DevOps? One is commands. The other one is configuration. Do you agree with me? You take any tool in this world, any tool, maybe tomorrow some new tool is coming in the DevOps system, but these all things will be correct, right? These all things will be same. Do you guys agree with me? Yes, right? Sheikh, Yazdan, Alekia, Prabhu, Lasya, Ayappa, Mani, correct? The commands and the configurations are very, very important. So let's try to understand some Linux commands which we use daily. Okay, then I will talk about the configurations. I will give a roadmap today for you. At the end of the session, I am going to share a drive link with you, those who are present on the Zoom, right? And tomorrow we will do some hands-on. Is it clear, guys? Yes, today those who have joined, that's good. You are going to get a drive link at the end of the class, so don't leave. I am just making a roadmap for you. Very easily, I am telling one by one, brick by brick, I am telling for everyone to understand. Okay, so let's talk about the commands. Very important when you talk about the Linux commands, some of the commands I will write and some of the commands I will give you in the document at the end of the class. ls-lrta. Correct? You all know, right? Cat command. These all you know, correct? df-h command, sudo command, correct? What else you know? cd command, move command. I will write, no worries, 7. I will put 888 as a column, right? Tail command. Okay, you tell me, I will write pwd command, 11 head, 12 mkdir, 13 touch, 14 vim, 15 VI nano VIM, 16 echo. Okay, 8 done. 17 RM, 18 TAC, 19 CH own, 20. What is that? Any idea? CH mod. Yes. 21 grep, 22 user add. Okay, good. 23 user del. Okay. 24, any idea? Group add. 25 group del. What else? Again, next 8 more we will take. 26 is kill. 27 is curl. 28 is wget. 29 is stop. 30 is, what is that? umount. Okay, 30 is umount. 31 is systemctl. Okay, let's go with 32 here. 32, find command. Beautiful. 33, ping command. 34, telnet. Okay, awesome. Go ahead, guys. 35, man. 36, netstat. 37 is ps command. 38 is ns lookup command. 39 setawk command. 41 who, 42 dick, 3 if config, 44 uname. Awesome. Uname, I have one more, remember, umask. 46 zip command. 47 is host name ctl. 48, what is that? Tar. Last 2 words, 49. What is that? Date command. Okay. And one last, what you will take? Exit. Okay, fine. All of you stop. Stop. All of you tell me. Now, I will just shrink it. No, Tanush Deep Subari. Bhai, I am remembering everyone. I am recognizing everyone. Okay, I was writing. So all of you see here, once you just read one by one, all of you, I will tell you the very beautiful way to remember all these things, what each one does. Correct? Please see for 30 seconds and tell me once you have read all of these things. Done? Take 30 seconds of time and just see, like, what is the similar pattern you are able to see. What is the similar? Nothing similar you have found? Alphabetical order? Anything are you thinking? Okay. So if you see here, L, right? L, C, D, right? And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, right? V, U is here, V, A, like, do you think that all the alphabets from A to Z are in the Linux command? Do you guys agree with me? AWK, zip. Yes, all of you agree with me? All the commands from A to Z, if you see, it will be there. C, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, F, P, T, M, N, S, right? Again, N, T, R. So everything, every command is there on the Linux. Okay, now few people are asking Y and O. Any idea? Any commands are there with Y and O? Guys, any commands are there with Y? Yum. Beautiful. O, any command is there? O? It's not a command. You can tell like a folder in Linux or -O. Okay. So any other letters you want from me? All good? All good? See, -X is also there in Linux. Okay. It's not a command, but it's kind of a way of representing the additional things. I will tell you, don't worry. Okay. Okay. Now, but you understood, right? But tell me, you understood, right? The way to learn things from today's class, the only thing that I want you to do, learn speaking skills, learn leadership skills, learn the way that you can present to someone. Okay, I is not there. Okay, few people are asking, I is not there. Any idea what is I? I stands for, okay, I node. Okay, in Linux, every command has. Here I have written if config. Where is that? I would have written somewhere if config. Yeah, here. Okay. Now, those who are asking me J for, you find out what is J, what is X. Clear? Okay. Now, one honest question I will ask you. Do you feel interesting here in knowing the things? Arey yaar, in this way also I would have learned. Correct? Arey, why I am not learning in this way, which I am doing from my childhood? Everything relate with your college learnings, relate with the way that you have been learning till now. Okay, right, beautiful. So you understood the commands. Now, what is the next one? I told you all. What is the next one in DevOps? Every tool or every category falls. One is commands. You have seen about the Linux command. What is the other one? Configuration. Yes or no? Yes or no? Obviously, configuration. You all are understanding? Good. It's about the configuration. Okay. Right. So awesome. Now let's understand what do you mean by configuration in Linux. Okay. Okay. Now if you are telling how to learn these commands, I will give you document. Okay. Each command, what it does, you can take the printout of the document. Those who are staying till the end of the class, you will have a drive link. You can download from the drive link. Once the class is ended, the drive link will be closed. Done. You will have all the basics to advanced commands. Clear, everyone? Right? Okay. Right. Tomorrow we will do the hands-on. So join. Okay. No issues. Okay. Shall we see what is the configuration in Linux? Now tell me what I meant with configuration in Linux. Okay, those who are telling my handwriting you are not able to understand, in the document it will be good. No issues. Okay. There will be separate things in the document, so you don't need to worry. Okay. Now all of you see here, please see here, all of you. Can you tell me what do you mean by configurations in Linux? Any idea? Any idea? What do you think by configuration in Linux? Variables? Step to automate? Disk partition? Okay, I will write some things for you. What are the configurations in Linux? Okay, one is installing package. Very beautiful. Any other things you remember? Patching. Okay. Any other thing? Disk management. Operations of programs. Adjusting system requirements. Managing your CPU memory, correct? And anything related to softwares and network. Now, one thing you tell me, guys, whenever I am talking about something, are you seeing that this flow is primarily coming in? Are you guys seeing wherever I am going, the connection at the end is coming here itself. So simple terms, whenever you are learning Linux, the easiest way to remember is this 15 points. That's it. Your job is done. And this commands. And once you are learning about the configurations and commands, what is the next step? Now you learned about commands. Let's assume that this step is done. Then you are learning about configurations. This step is also done. Now, what is the next step? Any idea? Okay, one person gave the answer. Yes, automation slash, what is that? Development, or what is that? Implementation. Do you guys agree with me? You either do automation, you either do development, you either do implementation. You know commands, you know configurations, you know troubleshooting little bit, and then you do the automations, deployment, development, and integrations. See the beauty of Linux journey. In this 1 hour, we started from the intro. We went deep dive into DevOps, understanding each pillar. We went into comparison. We then went into your architecture of Linux. Then we went into the core components of Linux admin tasks. Then we divided that admin tasks as a comparison. We understood commands and configurations are needed. We went into commands. We then went into configurations. Now we are at automations, development, and implementation. Clear, everyone? Are you guys getting me whatever I am telling? Happy till now? Happy with the class? Like, see, very clear understanding if I'm making it, right? Good. Now let's try to understand the biggest challenge you all have. Okay. I will put it as this one, the biggest challenge. We are at a biggest challenge point. What is that biggest challenge point? What is that biggest challenge point? Is this block. Many of the people don't know how to automate, how to develop, how to implement. They know these things. They will be good at this and they will be good at this, but they don't know how to combine both and implement as automation. Shall we see one automation now? I will write the code in front of you and I will tell you the automation. Shall we do? In front of you, I am telling. In front of you, I will write. Okay, I will do that in front of you. You will be amazed to see this is how the learnings are. Even you are a college student, you can tell tomorrow in the class on the blackboard. If you are a college student, you can tell the same from me you learned, right? Tomorrow you go to the class. Let's say on Monday you go to the class, you stand on the blackboard and you start typing, writing like, okay, what is DevOps? These all things. The way you are learning in my class will be very much different from the way that you are learning from anywhere else. That is my guarantee. Okay, that because this is how I learned. Okay, shall we move to the automations block? Yes, done. Till now, no questions, all questions clear. Okay, right. Yes, move on. So what I will do, I will give you break. Definitely break is there. Once we are completing, okay, tell me, you need a break now or you need after the automation? I will write the code. I will show you. You need now or after the automation time? Okay, many of you are telling now. Few of you are telling after the break. Have you all got like in 1 hour only you got tired? In 1 hour you got tired? Okay, I will complete this automation. Okay. Then what is the next step? Once automation is done, what is the next step? Just tell me. Once we are completing this automation, what is the next step? Any idea? What is the next step? Break. Okay, no issues. So let me complete the automations. So guys, see, if you are a fresher, if you are a fresher, you tell this class whatever you have learned to 10 people tomorrow, Monday, if you are going to the college. Will you give me that guarantee? I will make your life easier in next few minutes. See how to learn automation also in a very easier manner. I will be telling you. And the same thing you can explain to any of your friends. Okay. Any of your friends you can explain. No issues. Okay. Shall we start? Yes. Voice is clear, right? Okay. Voice is clear. Good. Right. So please see, I will give you a task. Okay. What is the automation task? I'm just writing, guys. Okay. Okay. All of you, I will read the question. Are you ready? I will first read the question. Don't write anything now. Just wait. Okay. I will first read the question. Then I will tell you how you to do it. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, I will read one by one. Check the CPU and memory of the system. And if CPU is greater than 95%, then send an email to the team and also make sure to delete the log files in the folder and make sure you have following security aspects followed. Have you got this? What is the question? Have you understood what is the question, guys? Yeah, everyone understood, right? Okay. Now, what are the parameters that question is asking from me? What are the parameters? CPU, the memory, right? And 95%. Send email. Okay. Make sure to delete the log files from the folder and make sure you are following the security. So now all of you tell me, in the above, whatever the commands you have learned and whatever the configurations you have learned, I will combine both of them and create the automation script for you. Is it making sense now? Whatever the commands you have seen and whatever the configurations we have discussed, on that basis, I will be creating the following code. Ready, all of you? Okay. Yes. Okay, good. So all of you first write this task. Okay, write this automation and we will take a quick 5 minutes break. Okay, only 5 minutes. Time is now 7:12. Come back within 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, and we will start the code. Okay, I will show you how you are combining both of this. Clear, everyone? Got it? Yes. So quickly write the question and we will start the session. Yes, I have shown the question. Please write down, all of you, write down the question. I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay? Right. Don't leave the class. How many of you need, let me ask you one question. How many of you need documents? It will be very easy for you. You all need documents? Yes. So I'll be sharing the drive link at the end of the session. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Okay? Beautiful. You all need. So wait in the class, just 5 minutes. I'll be coming back. Okay? You just complete this question and be ready. Once the break is completed, we will go ahead with the next set of things. Okay? Right. Okay, all of you are back from break. Good. Yes. Admin Mani Mohan Ayyappa, 5 minutes break done, and I am here. All of you have written the question? Yes. Okay, good. You all have written the question. Now, let's start understanding how we can integrate the commands and configuration. That's what our primary agenda is, right, Udaya? Our primary agenda is how we are going to integrate commands plus configuration. Yes or no? You all are agreeing with me, correct? You all are agreeing with me? How we are going to perform the commands and configurations in this class. We will check one by one. That is our primary intention. So you will see some amazing things and learnings. In every automation, you have to do this way only. Okay, right. So all of you see here, I will write some things for your understanding. Don't write anything. First, see how I am writing. Okay, and then you can probably have the understanding. Okay. Okay, all of you see here what we are going to check: the parameters, the CPU, the memory, the email, the delete options, and the security aspects. Correct? So what I'm doing is, first, whenever you are writing the code, there are 4 steps. Are you guys understanding? What are the 4 steps? The 4 steps of coding. Please understand the 4 steps of code. In any world, mark my sentence. Wherever you go after my class, you should feel these 4 steps of coding. Remember these 4 steps until you are a software engineer. This is my promise. Okay. So I will write first the 4 steps and then explain you how to write the code. Okay. So all of you see here, the step 1 is, what is that? Some import modules. Okay. Some functionalities you will import. Step 2, variables. Step 3, logic. Step 4, execution. Are you making clear? What are the 4 steps in coding, guys? Yes, in company, they will ask like this. They will ask your knowledge. They will check your communication skills, ability to speak, ability to convey them, right? So can you tell me what are the 4 steps? All of you repeat with me. What are the 4 steps? Step 1, import something. Step 2, assign variables. Step 3, write the logic. And step 4, execute the code. Okay, freshers, am I going above your head? Guys, am I going above your head? No, right? Till here all are clear? Good. Okay, very sweet of you. Now, I will write some code. Please understand. Don't write anything. Okay, I will write the actual code now. Okay, please see here, all of you. Please have a look. What was our step 1? Import something. So as of now, I will do this one. Just see, don't write anything. Then what are the parameters I want to see? The CPU, the memory, the 95% threshold, the email log file. So what I will do? Please write down here the parameters. The threshold is 95%. Okay. The log file path is equal to /opt/log, some path. Okay. Maybe like, let's say like monitor.log. Okay. The email, you can think like DevOps help@gmail.com. Correct? The target log directory. Okay. Now, is your 2 steps completed? Step 1 and step 2. Is it completed? Yes or no? I have done some import. You can understand that. And I have written some variables. So the two steps are done. All of you in the class, are you getting me? If you tell me no, I will repeat again. No issues. All of you got it? Yes. Okay. Few of you are asking me to repeat. I will repeat once again. Please listen here. What is the second? Okay, first step, you understood, right? Some import we are doing. You can consider that. Okay. Second step is variable A equal to B. A is equal to B. Okay. So A equal to B, where we have mentioned in the code that the CPU is greater than 95%. So this is my threshold value. The log file, I asked you to delete the log files. So I have given the log file path. I have asked you to email to the team. Where is the email? Email to the team. So that is also a variable. Now you understood? Whatever there in the question, you have to have some variables for it. Clear, everyone? Is it making sense to you now? At least A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to D, something like that. In any code, if you are going out of my class, if you are not joining tomorrow by any chance, right? Let me tell you, remember this thing. Target log directory, you can keep it or you can exclude it. I just kept it for my understanding, right? Okay, now all of you tell me, are you understood with the two steps? Have you understood with the two steps? Yes, all of you now clear? Okay, now tell me, what is the third step, guys? What is the third step in the automation? Logic, correct? So first I will write plain English. Okay. Logic is very important, correct? Logic building is very important. So what I will write, please see here clearly. Okay. I will go back to the question. Check the CPU and memory. Okay. So first what it is asking, check CPU and memory. So to check the CPU, to check the memory, we have some commands. Okay. So I will utilize the commands code now. Okay. CPU, I will say CPU equal to, there is a top command. Okay. You should understand there is a top command. Top will give me the CPU. Okay. If you are able to see, there are some other commands also, but because you are very, very new and we are only looking at commands, so I am giving you the top command. When you talk about CPU, the top command, okay, it will give you the CPU value. Now, there are some conditions. If the CPU value, okay, is greater than the threshold, okay, are you understanding? Then what you are doing? Then you are, what is the question? Then email to team, then send email to team. Else, you can say like the threshold is not achieved. Okay, and fine. Now, all of you tell me, see, is this a plain English? I want a CPU. I got the CPU and assigned to a variable, and I am checking if CPU is greater than this, you send email, or else don't send email. You just print out the data. So what are the things in the logic we have used, guys? In the logic, we have used variables again. In the logic, we have used condition. If that is true, if it is true, then go inside and execute. Yes. Are you guys understanding? So let's think like this. I will tell you the flow diagram for this logic. All of you see here. CPU, if greater than, okay. Then what you are doing? You are doing send email If no, just print not achieved. Okay. Once you have sent the email, the next block is, what is the next block we are going to do with the code? CPU done. Then also make sure delete the log files. So what is the next step you will do? You will say log files. Okay. You will say, okay, I will just maybe write it here a little bit. Log files. Yes. Find. Again, yes. Delete. No. Just take close. Okay. Just close that loop. And the next is what? Next loop is what? Make sure you are following the security aspects. Okay, there is a delete the files in the folder. Okay, and security aspect. And the third flow is what? Security. Now, all of you tell me, when I am writing like this, are you understanding how to present yourself in the interview? If someone asks you question, at least first share them your screen and tell them that, boss, I am confident at least to show you diagram with my half knowledge, at least. Have you understood? See, when you present something, you get marks. So let's say like this. Okay, all of you, very beautiful. Understand how the interview works. Okay, I'm just giving you 1 minute example. Let's say this is my 10 marks question. All of you see here, you all are college pass outs, right? So in that way, like maybe experienced people are also there. This is a 10 marks question. And I have written this code till here. I will get, let's say, 4 marks. Okay. And remaining, I am telling him that boss, this is what I have, 1 mark, 1 mark, and he will say 1 mark. So total, how many marks I got it, guys? 4 plus 3. So total 7 marks out of 10. Is it making sense to you? The way that I am explaining from the starting till now in this class, are you getting the actual scenario of learning? Yes. See, whenever you don't know, you write the flow diagram. You know the commands, you write something. Okay. You know the command. Have you written this? Okay, tell me. Have you written till here? This green box one? No? Okay, write it. Write it. These two, you write it. Then we will move to the next. See, my handwriting will be a little bit clumsy. I have divided into 2 boxes. This is box 1 and this is box 2. Please write it. Then we will move to the next. Yeah, handwriting is not good. I know. I know. But nothing big. Okay, one more thing. People who are telling, I have not completed the complete command. See, there are freshers. I need to make them understand. There are experienced. I make them to learn how they can overcome the interview, any coding. Okay. So just try to understand. This is like a basic, not like I'm doing 100% and it will work. Okay. I'm just telling you how you can get marks and pass the exam. Pass any interview. Okay. Logic for log deletion, I will tell you. Once you write this 2 box, then we will go to the logic for deletion. Everyone done? All of you done? See, write only things which I am telling. Okay, write it. I will give you 1 minute. Write it. No issues. Okay, little down. Okay, done. Tomorrow we will do hands-on. Okay. Pooja, please have a little good handwriting, sir. Definitely. Just adjust with this. Probably I will write it in a good way. Try to write it. Done? All of you are done. So let's go to the next block. What is the next block? You have not written. Okay, take a screenshot, guys. All of you can take a screenshot. Later you can learn. No issues. We want to move ahead in the class. My aim is to work in Walmart. Definitely, brother. Okay, definitely. We are going to help you. Certifications, I will tell about that, Kavya. No worries. Okay, as of now, just try to understand. All of you have written now. Can you all tell me yes? I will move ahead. Okay, done. So all of you done. So let's move ahead. Let's move ahead and try to understand what are the next things. Okay, what is the next step? We need to understand log deletion. Yes, we want to do the log deletion. Correct? So what are the things for log deletion? Just 2 minutes and then we will discuss the company salary and all those details. Okay, don't worry. Just tell me for the log deletion, you have to find the file first, find the log file, and then remove. Yes or no? Plain English. Yes or no? First, I need to find the log file and then remove. Correct? So what is the command for the log file? Right? Find. If you have seen, I have clearly given here, there will be a find command. Find. Where? Yeah, here, 33, 32. Okay. So what we are doing? Find the log file, -f, name. Okay. star.log. Okay. I'm just writing the upper commands. Okay. Just try to understand. Okay. So what we are trying to do? We are trying to do find the log file and then rm-rf delete it. Okay. These two commands are important. Okay. Please write down. Yes, rm-rf. So basically the command will be like this. It will be a single command, find dot in the folder. Okay. Let's say like this folder name is not there. -f name star.log -exec. Okay. Then there will be rm-rf, the entire. Like this will be your complete command. Please write down. This command is asked in interview, find log file and delete it. Okay. Done, all of you? Okay. Do you want me to speak out? You want me to speak out? Okay. Find, please write down. All of you write down. Find dot -f, file name. F is file name. Dot is in Linux, the current folder. Name of the file. Execute. Remove all data. Tell me, is Linux interesting today? Yes, you guys are able to understand how you are going to learn things is very, very important. Very, very important. Please write down this command. Please write down this command. Very, very important. Maybe you will get like 3 marks question on this. What is the last one? Okay. This is a curly brace. What we are trying to do is, I will tell you, whatever the output of this, all of you see here, whatever the output of this, we are sending it to the next command to remove. Okay. Just understand. Tomorrow we will do the hands-on. You will be able to understand clearly. All of you done? Yes or no? Just write it. Just relax. Don't go hurry. This is first day. You all are learning Linux. You understood this much. It's great achievement. How many of you have understood at least 70% of the class? Just tell me yes. Yes. Okay, all of you. 80. Oh my God, 80%. Okay. Anyone 80 above? Yes. Beautiful. 100% also people are there. Beautiful. Awesome. Right. Great, great, great achievement. So how many of you will do tomorrow hands-on with me? I will take a Linux system tomorrow and I will do the hands-on for you. How many of you are going to join tomorrow? Yes, you all are going to join? Awesome. Awesome. Right. Great, great, great. So I have something for you. How many of you have liked my session? First of all, tell me. How many of you have enjoyed the session? The way that I have taken this session from very basics to the advanced, how you can tell in the interview. How many of you have liked the session? You all have liked? Great. So I have something for you. So let me tell those things before I jump into any other thing. Okay. So let me tell you some things, right, which is very, very much important, and it will help you to land your dream job. Okay. So maybe fresher, maybe experienced, maybe you can say like domain change, any other people who are looking to upskill from point A to point B. Let's say you want to upskill, you are here, you want to upskill to some other place, anything you want to do it, I have something special for you. Just wait. I'll be telling you all those things. So let me share my screen. So all of you see here, guys, I'll first tell you what I do and what I teach. So all of you see here, those who have loved the teaching today, right? You are going to get different things from Linux core concepts, Git, Jenkins projects, Jenkins internal setups, Jenkins integrations with DevOps tools, Docker with Linux systems, Docker internal components architecture, Docker container creation, Kubernetes networking, Kubernetes troubleshooting, Istio Kiali, complete monitoring setup in Kubernetes, three-tier architecture, Helm charts, DDoS, XXE, security side, DevSecOps, building Kubernetes projects. If you see, the list is all the way to make you complete person in DevOps, SRE, and multi-cloud setup. The way I have taught you today is just the 50% of what I teach. You can achieve the 100% as a job ready program. And this is a batch which I will be teaching completely end to end for next 3 months. Okay. Those who are with me in this batch will get personal mentorship, will get the complete resumes of mine where I have cracked Walmart and other companies. You are also going to get 14 real world projects from my previous companies where I have taken the data and given to you as an integration. I will give you every week assignments and certification of completion. And in this batch, you're also going to get the AI concepts like LangChain, Llama, Vector, ScalarDB, and many other things in AI. You are also going to get the week-wise syllabus, very genuinely talk to you in terms of projects. If you see, these all projects will be for you. And anyone who is looking to keep 3 projects can take out from here. Definitely, it's going to help you in understanding real time. And not only this, I'm going to give you the complete job guidance. You all are here with me for learning. Let's say you want to get my resumes, you want to get your resumes reviewed, you want LinkedIn profile optimization, you want to see my Naukri portal, you want to see my InstaHire portal, you want to see my LinkedIn portal. All of these I will be doing in the batch 14. And not only this, if you see in my total experience, total career experience, I have segregated 400 to 500 DevOps questions, which I will be giving you in batch 14. This batch 14 is a December batch, and I'm just looking for the first 20 people from this class. The price, if you go to the any other institute, the difference is that they will not teach you core. They will teach you upper things, and they don't know how to get the offer letters. They don't know how to crack companies. But here I have cracked companies. I have offer letters with me. I have got all the things, and my previous batch students have got into various placements. If you see, all the students have got in various companies. Few have got Walmart, if you have got Flipkart, and yes, you will have mock interviews. So I am looking today for only 20 people who will be with me to learn. Every week, 3 classes will be there. Every weekend, you will have almost 3 hours session, Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday, 1 hour session. So total 7 hours session, where Monday to Sunday, you will have complete roadmap with me. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, you will learn. Wednesday, you will come to class. Thursday, Friday, I will give you projects. Saturday, Sunday, you will learn from me. So this way, this is a weekend plus Wednesday class, and you are going to get all these things, and all of these classes are live. And I am looking for only 20 people. Yes, in this batch 14, you're going to get recordings, you're going to get documents, you're going to get assignments, you're going to get mock interviews, resume reviews, and the most important thing, you're going to get all the projects that I have done in the companies. Timings, every weekend, Saturday, Sunday morning batch, this one, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And see these projects. Those who are interested, you have to enroll today for 70% off. And what I'm going to do, if you see here the things, book your seat now. If you are seeing 4250, today we have opened 20 slots. So in this 20 slots, those who are going to join, you are going to get all the things from my end. Okay. And you are going to get everything that you need for your job search. You have seen the way I teach, you have seen the way I guide, and you have seen the way that I talk. Okay. So those who are interested, can you tell me your names? Okay. I will take your names aside and I will wait for this 20 slots to get filled. Those who are enrolling today, let me tell you a bonus that I'm going to give you. Whoever is enrolling today, I am going to give you a one-to-one Zoom meeting. Okay. You are going to come with me. I'm going to teach you and I'm going to get you out of the things that you are looking as your struggles or anything. Okay. So those who are interested, I'm waiting for you to come with me. I will be waiting for this slots to fill up. So as you see, I will be refreshing the screen in front of you. You can enroll yourself. Yes, you can enroll yourself. The time is there, 20 seats. I will be waiting for you in this live to come with me to join this DevOps, SRE, and multi-cloud journey. You are also going to get Azure and AWS completely in this project. Yes, those who have purchased, you are also going to get added. I know like 1-2 people have already taken long back from the previous people, those who have followed me. So no worries. Yes, Blessy, this is the one. Yes, I know you. So don't worry. Okay. So whoever wants to come with me, recordings are available. Again, I'm going to tell you guys, if you see here, recordings are available for this batch because you are paying some amount to me, including GST. By the way, let me tell you, okay, including GST. And those who want specific mentorship, let's say, Praveen, I am looking out for a job. You guide me. You can take the one-to-one mentorship, special mentorship. Only you and me will be there. And if you want the previous batch recordings, you can take that also. Okay. So whoever wants to come with me, please let me know. I will wait for 5 minutes and this 20 slots to get filled. And then I will take your attendance. Okay, almost people are taking it. 17 slots are left. Please go ahead. Mentorship fees is 4250. If anyone is looking for mentorship, the price is 5546. If anyone is looking for previous batch recordings. So let's think like this in this way. You are looking for job right from day one. Let's say today, right? So you can get it, right? So you can get it at 75. One-to-one mentorship. This is for dedicated mentorship at the time of your job search. Okay. So please opt accordingly and I will wait for you all to come with me. So how many seats? 15. Come on. Previous batch recording price is 1999. If you want as a combo pack, you can take it. Okay. With this batch, you will get it. And the biggest in this batch is your projects. You are going to get all these projects, very interesting projects. If you see one by one, Jenkins DevSecOps pipeline, Jenkins pipeline, Docker, Kubernetes, Argo CD. These all things will help you in understanding. You can also share with your friends. You can form a group of people and learn. Okay. Clear, everyone? So go ahead and you can see all the things Python basics to advanced. If you see Python, only Python things. Okay. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Go ahead, guys. Duration of this course, next 2 to 3 months. So let's say January, February, and March. Yes, Prashant Pote, link, I'm sharing it again. Those who are interested, you can just book your seat. Those who are opting, these all things are one time only. Many people say, Praveen, I have bought course for 4250. I need a mentorship. So you cannot take that because my slots will be filled. Okay. Once you are taking the slot, your time slot is fixed with me. Okay. And then many people ask for recording. So you can go ahead and get it. Okay. In case you are busy, the recordings will be there. Recordings are available. So you can see here, recordings are available. Validity of recordings for 2 years. Okay. Those who are enrolling, you will directly get the access. Yes. One-to-one, you can get it. No, one-to-one call, we will discuss. Those who are enrolling, you will definitely get it. Okay. Definitely get it. Okay. So just check these things the way I have told. Yes, certifications is also there, Hapsiba. Certifications is also there. We are going to provide a certification of course completion. Somewhere it will be there. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, you can see here. Just 1 minute, I'll come back. Just see this certifications, see this projects, and this is the link. Okay. Okay, so many of you are asking about recordings. So please let me tell you, all of you are going to get recordings. Whoever has enrolled for this batch 14, you are going to get recordings. So no doubt in that. Okay, don't worry about the recordings. And the fees is only 4250. Okay, only 4250 for today. Those who have enrolled, please let me know. If you have done the enrollment, let me know. And when you are booking, please make sure you opt for these two also. Okay. If you have enrolled, please opt for these two because you will able to understand all the things. You will get all the details also. Okay. So I'm just looking at few things here. Okay. Awesome. Just 1 second. Okay. Great. So great. Awesome. So any doubts you have? Any doubts you have, anything you want to ask me, what are the topics you will learn? I have clearly given. Okay, those who have enrolled but have not taken the one-to-one, you are not going to get again. Okay, please, I will again tell you, if you have not taken the one-to-one when you are looking at language is English, guys, it's an English batch. The way I'm talking now, it will be the same English batch. Okay, so go ahead and enroll. This will be the final call for the people of DevOps lovers. Everything is a combo pack. Whatever you are seeing today, the way I have explored. No, 4250 is the cost for recordings. Sorry, not recordings. The 4250 is the cost for live sessions. Okay. Live sessions plus recordings. If you want one-to-one mentorship, you have to opt for this. Okay. Yes. You all are going to get all the things. Whoever have enrolled, you are going to get many things from my end. If you see API gateway, load balancers, Route 53, the majority of the things will be on the projects. Okay. Projects are very important for us. For recordings, it's not 1,999 for the previous batch recordings. You see, for the previous batch recordings, if you want, you can opt for that. Okay. Very important for the previous batch recordings, not for today's recordings. Okay. That's important. Okay. How many of you have not enrolled for one-to-one or recordings you have not taken? Anyone who has not taken for recordings? Yes, you have not taken. Okay, no issues. Again, I am telling those who have not taken, you are not going to get that, right? But if you take it, it will be good. Okay, right. So I'm looking for a few more people. So let me refresh it. How many people are there? Let me see. Okay, 14 people, 14 seats. Let's go ahead, guys. Anyone who is interested to come with me, learn with me, upskill? Anyone? Anyone? Yes. At 4250 cost, including GST. Okay, that's very important. So hardly you are paying 3,000 for my mentorship. That's it. Okay. So tell me, when you go to the DevOps to learn from outside, okay, when you go to the DevOps to learn from outside, can you tell me like how much you pay? 20,000? 25K. Okay. So can you tell me how much you guys pay usually? Can you guys tell how much? 25K? 35K Gayatri has paid. 25K, 20 to 25K, but you are going to get today only for 4250. Some are 80K also. Yes, I know. But guys, only for today, if you are with me, payment failed, retry again. Please, you can do that. Definitely, it will be completed. Not taken one-to-one, you cannot take again. Those who have not taken one-to-one, you cannot take again. So that's what I am telling you. Okay, you have seen my, what is that? You have seen the way I have taught you in this class. Tomorrow, hands-on class will be on the same way. Let's understand like how you are going to learn Linux, right? In the same way, tomorrow, the deep dive concepts on hands-on we will go. Today, you have seen just the theoretical part. Tomorrow, you will see the practical part. Okay, so let me see how many people are there. Okay, still we have 14 seats. Yes, you can opt from Australia. Any country you can opt, no issues. Okay, all this hands-on, I will teach you guys. Okay, I will teach you hands-on of all these things. Okay, next 3 months the classes will be. So let's see in this way. I will share this link. Probably you can book your seat one-to-one. Once it is not taken, you cannot take it again. Okay, that's one important thing. So guys, how many of you are interested? First of all, tell me. Okay, how many of you are interested? You are interested, Arun? Okay, interested? Yes, good. So I will wait for, let's say, next 5 minutes. Okay, once the 5 minutes is done, we will go ahead with the next topics. Okay, those who are interested, you can go ahead and opt. Okay, this is the course. Start from scratch, 80 hours of learning, 14 projects, live recording sessions, 2 months plus course will be there. Validity 2 years. Okay, and access to the community. Everything will be there. Okay, clear? So please check. This is very lowest price you are going to get and only offer for today. Okay, only for today. Those who are with me. So let me refresh the screen. I'm looking for, okay, great. So I'm looking for 13 more people, all the 20 people plus the previous people, those who have enrolled. You are going to get some different stream coming days. Okay, right. So very important. So can you tell me? Okay, so that is important. For tomorrow's class, no, you don't do anything tomorrow. I will tell you how you are going to do the hands-on. First, I will do that, no? Hands-on. and then you can do after going home. I will give you some certain steps also, so it will be easy for you, right? So those who have not taken this, I'm again giving on YouTube channel also, those who are watching or those who are doing these things, last 10. Okay, so you can see here. Yes, and 1 minute, those who have taken one-to-one session, you can opt anytime one-to-one. Let's say after 3 months, after 4 months, anytime you can opt. So no issues with that. Okay, no issues in that. You can opt one-to-one anytime. Okay, how can I get the previous batch recordings? Let me tell you again. Okay, so just 1 second, I'll tell you. Okay, first let me see how many are there for learnings. Okay, great. So I'm waiting for a few more people. Is this one-to-one for one time only? Yes, this one is for one time. Anyone who is interested can opt. Not interested, you can just opt for this. Okay, right. Hi, can we get the certificate? Yes, you're going to get the certificate again. So very important. Please see here all the things. Certificate of completion is there. And all of you see here the placements. How many of you want to see the placements, by the way? You want to talk with any of my student? Yes, they have got placed. You want to see? Yes. Okay. So first of all, I will show you some LinkedIn IDs. You can see first. Okay. You can also talk with them. This is Sagar, who is very one of our old student. He is in Barcelona, I think Spain, somewhere he is. Okay. So he is the one. Shravya ji, 1 month ago, she got placed into Avis Budget Group. She is Kavya. Okay. She has got Shweta. She has got into Adobe. She was from batch 10. And a few more LinkedIn IDs also you will see, so that you can talk, connect with them. Dhanunjay, Bharat, okay, and Nidish Abraham, Microsoft, he got it, right? And you can see here in our class, we share notes like this. People share notes. We share cheat sheets like this, where I tell them to take the printouts, okay, and paste it on the wall. So very important, like you take the cheat sheets, print out, you learn with me, you understand with me, you get the guidance. Very important, right? So if you see here today also the same way I teach, right? So my student has taken the screenshot. So many of them are doing the notes. Notes are the best friends. Whenever you are doing notes will be the very best friends for anyone who is looking to upskill. Okay. Right. So you have seen, okay, Walmart also I will show you. The certificate of completion will be like this. The Verizon, again, one of the student got placed. DG Cert Amazon, DevOps interview questions we have shared. Teradata 39 LPA, 40 LPA with 5 years experience. Where is the Walmart one? Bank of America, Adobe, Rackspace, Amazon. Walmart one will be here somewhere. You can check that. Okay. Right. So all of you tell me, those who are, okay, first I will tell you, how many of you are willing to upskill? Mock interviews will be there. Yes, I'll be taking your mock interviews. Mock interviews will be there. Yes. How many of you are looking for upskill? January, February, March, you will be with me. Okay. And you can, for 0 years of experience to 10 to 15 years of experience, anyone can join me. Okay. So I will be very honestly telling you, today you are going to get at 70% off. Okay. Only for today. Only for today. And definitely it's going to help you. All the classes will be live classes. All the things you have seen. Non-IT to IT. Yes, definitely. The assignments you see here every weekend, assignments, certificate of completion, everything you are going to get. Okay. So let's do this. Book your seat and let's check how many people are left with me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, only 3 people are there. So go ahead and do it. So I'm waiting for 3 more people. So let's complete that and come out of it. Okay, good. So those who have enrolled, let's see what are the things that you are going to do. Is there any chance to join tomorrow? See, tomorrow the fees will be increased only for today. Okay. And these are weekend classes, Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Every week, 3 classes, 30 plus resources you are going to get, assignments every week, certificate of completion, AI, DevOps, everything is there. LangChain, Chroma, Scalar, all those things I'll teach you. Okay. Those who are interested, you can come with me, learn with me. You can continue. Tejashwini, no issues. Okay. No, Sirisha, okay, few of you are telling I will make your confusion clear. If you are opting for one-to-one, later point of time, there will be a separate meeting with me. You will be with me on Zoom. That is a separate meeting. Okay. If you are opting for this, the price is this. Okay. 5546, including GST. If you are opting for this, the price will be 7545. If you are not opting both, the price will be 4250. Done, Shiva Reddy? Okay, great. I already bought batch 13 recorded class. Yes, you can continue with that. No issues, Shiva. Okay, you can definitely continue with that. No issues in that. Definitely it's going to help you. Do we get Kubernetes included? Shesha, CH, brother, what is that you are asking? Please see here. Okay, how many tools we are going to learn? Jenkins, Grafana, Python, Azure, Jira, Istio, Visual Studio, Maven, all these things you are going to learn. So definitely you are going to learn all these things, so not to worry. Okay. Okay, people on the other platforms, we have shared these links. Yes, you can get the previous batch recordings also, and the 14 batch recordings also you are going to get. No issues. MLOps we are not touching, only Azure, AWS, and DevOps we are going to touch. Okay, no issues. Yes, if you have 1.6 years of experience, it's good time to start. No issues. Okay, definitely you can start it. No issues in that. 3.5 years experience, yes. Can I get batch 14 recorded sessions in it? Yes, guys, let me tell you again. Whoever is opting for batch 14, by default, you are going to get recordings. By default. Okay. 1.7 years with 2 years gap. See, career gap, you have to fix that. Okay. But your experience, I can help you. Definitely, I can help you. I have 3 years of experience and my working day is 24 December. Yes, Ram, you can take it. Definitely, it's going to help you. Classes will run on Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Okay. Batch 14, I will be doing the mentorship. I will be teaching you all. Okay. So with these all tools, you are going to get. Okay. Definitely it's going to land you a good job. Okay. Great. Awesome. So again, the way that Linux we have discussed, in the same way to the basics to advanced concepts, we will do in the batch 14 also, right? This is only the trailer. Tomorrow you will see the hands-on. Those who are with me in the batch 14, you will see the real-time projects. Those are from the companies, right? So that is a different aspect. This is the different aspect. Okay. Again, I'm sharing the one last time link I'm sharing, guys, right? One-to-one mentorship. This is for one time. Yes, Prashant, that is for one time. Weekday batch, no. Divya Dadi, yes, it will be helpful. Aisha, it will continue. No issues. No issues. Ranjit, it will start in December coming days. Okay. We will announce it. Weekend timings, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. Whoever is Telugu, you can also join because see, the way I'm telling in the English, you can understand, right? So definitely it will help you. Yes, if you enroll, you can continue both the classes. No issues. ఓకే నో ఇష్యూస్ తెలుగు పర్సన్ ఐ నో చాలా మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు నన్ను చూస్తున్నారు తెలుగు వాళ్ళు Don't worry, I will help you. Okay, I'm going to help you. In this EKS project is also there. If you see under the projects, there will be Kubernetes with EKS. Let me search. Yeah. If you see here, there is a EKS. Okay, there is a EKS project also, which we have embedded in it. Okay. Okay, so one last call. We will then move ahead with the other things. 7 years. Okay, 7 years Valkoda, you can do it. No issues. Resume prep mock interviews will be under batch 14. Yes, guys, all of you see here. This is what the patterns you are going to get in batch 14. Okay. If there is any chance to continue this class, yes, Tejashwani, both are different. Okay, both are different. Yes. Will you teach EKS? I will teach EKS for sure. I will teach EKS. And not only this, if you see here, all the mock interviews, current market scenario, negotiation, and all those things I'll teach you. Okay. Right. Yes, college student, you can definitely join. So I will ask you, okay, time, all of you see here. We will do one thing quickly. We will not waste time. Prime batch 14 classes will happen on Zoom only. Okay. We will roll out the Zoom timetable also. So all of you see here, time is now 8:11. I will wait for 5 more minutes. Just tell me your name if anyone is interested or not. Timings, I have told you 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. Right. How many of you are interested? Tell me. Like very simple question I will ask you. On the YouTube also, I'm seeing people are interested and we are waiting for few more people to join. Divyashri, Sunil, Ram, admin. Yes, Ranjit, definitely. Vijay. Okay, so guys, I'm waiting for 5 more people to come with me. Let's complete this. Okay, whoever is interested, let's go ahead. And meanwhile, I will prepare the drive link for you. Only 5 people. Let's come with me. Final call for the 5 people. Yes, you are interested. So go ahead, guys. 5 people, only for 5 people. Let's close this. Okay, 5 people slot. Let's close this. Okay. And meanwhile, I will prepare the drive link for you. Just give me 1 minute. I'll prepare the drive link. Drive link with cheat sheets I will give you. Okay. So you can prepare. So whoever is in the live, you can get the drive link. Okay. Okay. Just 1 second. So guys, this will be the final call. Okay. If anyone is interested, you can do it. Meanwhile, I'm preparing you the drive link. I'll share you in just maybe 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, and people who are interested to enroll, just 5 more people and we will close this. So I'm just giving you this link again for your understanding. Okay, done. Bro, at least say yes or no. Arey, sorry, yaar, I didn't see. Praveen, I am from UK, currently working as a production support engineer. Yes, brother, you can take it. DevOps is very right choice for you, Prashant. Okay, you can definitely take it. No issues. 5 years in SQL support. Can I join this batch? Hussein, 100%. Ravi Teja. Okay. Will you provide? Yes, yes, Vivek, that's there. Balaji, what error you are getting? Okay, great. So people have taken already, right? Okay, so drive link is also ready. So let me share with you. Just 1 second, guys. Okay. Got it. Okay. I am 2018 passed out, worked in 2022 IT. Yes, brother, you can take it. No issues. Okay. Drive link is ready. It's ready. Okay. Let's take your Q&A. I'm done. ఓకే. నీ కాలేజ్‌తో ఉన్న జాబ్స్ అలా వస్తాయన్నా? నీ కాలేజ్‌లా అరే! నేను టైర్ 3 కాలేజ్ ఓకేనా? వైజాగ్‌లో టైర్ 3 కాలేజ్. సో, అప్పుడులో ఏదో జాబ్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ ఉంది సినారియోస్ అంతా. ఓకే. బట్ నాట్ టు వరీ. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ. రైట్? ఓకే. ఎంతమంది తెలుగోళ్ళున్నారు? ఎంతమంది తెలుగోళ్ళున్నారు? లెట్స్ టాక్ విత్ తెలుగు పీపుల్ బికాజ్ ఐ నో లైక్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆర్ తెలుగు హియర్. ఎంతమందిరా తెలుగోళ్ళున్నారు ఇక్కడ? ఓకే. ఉన్నారా? ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు? ఎక్కడెక్కడి నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యారు? జస్ట్ చెప్పండి. ఎక్కడెక్కడి నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యారు? మామూలుగా చెప్పండి. కాకినాడ, విశాఖపట్నం, హైదరాబాదా? ఓకే. వైజాగ్ ఎవరు? వైజాగ్ ఉన్నారా? మనోళ్ళు వైజాగ్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా? వైజాగ్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరు? ఓకే. వైజాగ్. ఓకే. ఉన్నారబ్బా! చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. ఓకే. గ్రేట్. ఎలా అనిపించింది? క్లాస్ ఎలా అనిపించింది? బావుందా ఈరోజు క్లాసు? పిఠాపురం. ఓకే. ఆస్ట్రేలియాలో ఉన్నారు. బావుందా? అంటే సీ ఆహ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ హావ్ టోల్డ్ యూ లైక్ ఇదంతా కూడా చెప్పాను ఎలాగా స్టార్ట్ అయింది లినక్స్ క్లౌడ్ డివిజన్స్ ఏంటి లినక్స్ అండ్ విండోస్ కంపారిజన్స్ చూసాం రైట్ అండ్ దెన్ వి మూవ్ టు ద జర్నీ ద లినక్స్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఆ తర్వాత డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ ద కంప్లీట్ లినక్స్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ క్లస్టర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అలా చూసాం కమాండ్స్ చూసాం అండ్ దెన్ వి మూవ్డ్ ఇన్ టు ద ఆటోమేషన్స్ రైట్ క్లాస్ అయితే బాగా అనిపించింది కదా క్లాస్ అయితే బాగా అనిపించిందా ఓకే గ్రేట్ సో అది ఓకేనా సో దట్ ఈస్ వన్ థింగ్ అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ పీపుల్ లైక్ నాట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ పీపుల్ पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम लाइक हिंदी जोन ओके कैसा लगा भाई हिंदी हिंदी जोन वाले क्लास ठीक था मतलब समझ में आया डिड यू गाइस अंडरस्टूड हिंदी भाई लोग बहन लोग कैसा था क्लास बढ़िया समझ में आया क्या बात की हम लोग गुड राइट मतलब जो भी बात किए वैसा ही फॉलो करना द सेम वे यू हैव टू फॉलो इन द कमिंग क्लासेस ऑल्सो ठीक है सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ठीक है क्लास वॉज गुड ना समझ में आया सबको यस और नो भाई लोग बढ़िया ऑसम बहुत सारा बात किया राइट वी हैव डिस्कस लॉट मेनी थिंग्स इन दिस क्लास बढ़िया राइट सो दैट इज वन थिंग राइट And the best part, which I liked from today's class, was this automation because it's very simple, it's plain 4-step process, and everything is deep dived. Okay. So that is one thing. Okay. How many of you are still willing to enroll, or we will move to the next topic? Just I will tell you one important topic for today's class. I will show you some things and then we will move on. Anyone who is enrolling still or interested to enroll, please tell me honestly. We will not waste much other people time also. Yes. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. We will discuss about one project. Okay, one project in the real time, I will tell you. Okay, all of you, we will discuss about one project, how the things are working in the real time. Is it clear? Shall we do that? Yes. Drive link I will give you, no issues. Or you want first to see the drive link? Or you want to see first the drive link? Like your wish. If you want to see the drive link, I can go to the drive. Okay, you want to see the drive link. Okay, let me share the drive link first. But before that, if anyone is still interested, you can opt for the batch 14, right? Another 5 minutes, we will close this. Let me open the drive link for you guys. Okay, all of you see here, I'll share some things. Okay, those who are till now in the class, you all will be going to get this drive link. So all of you see here, this is kind of a drive link which you can take the printout. Okay, one thing I will tell you. First, listen, very important. Those who are in the class, okay, first listen. Immediately, I give this link, you download the documents. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Immediately, because you all are in my class now. What will happen, right? I have to give you edit access. Okay, that's one thing. So immediately I give you this drive link, you can download it. And those who are not downloading, that's fine. Okay, it's up to you, but download it. Okay, I will give you link. Wait, let me explain what we are going to share. So all of you see here, this is complete commands. We have discussed 50 commands there. How many commands are there? See, chmod, chown, user management, user add, user group, user delete, user mod. Sounds interesting? Yes, those who are watching me. Yes, disk management. See, everything is clearly told you. Okay, if you go down, some important commands. Okay, so everyone wants this drive, correct? You all want it? Yes, I know you all need this. No, free class will continue. Okay, but the batch 14 will have much more things, much more concepts. Okay, much more knowledge. Okay, so I will give you this drive link. Meanwhile, just one last question to everyone. One last ask. Anyone still interested to enroll for batch 14? Let me know your name on the chat. Anyone? In next 5 minutes, anyone is there to enroll? Yes. Okay. So I see 2-3 people are there. Okay. So one last time, we will do this batch 14 link share, and then we will discuss one more document, which is there in the, what is it like this here. Okay. One last time, 5 more minutes and we will. Okay. Right. Okay. Go ahead, guys. And then I will add one more document to that drive link. Okay, please answer. Yes, but class timing are not matching to me. Ramana Reddy, if class timings are not matching, you are going to get the recordings. Okay, you are definitely going to get the recordings, so no doubt in that. Timings for batch 14, it will be a morning batch. I'm going to type it again for you. Timing 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, and 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Okay. So this will be your batch 14 timing. Okay, sorry, asking for, can I have topics which will be covered? See, all the links are different, Swapnil, so you can check accordingly. Okay. I'm Nehru Batch 12. I hope you remember me. Yes, Nehru, I remember you. I got 2 offers, one from product company with 12 LPA and one from... Are, Nehru, you talk with the people also, na? You talk with me. Okay. Nehru is here. He was from batch 12.
Yeah,
Hey, hi, Nehru. See, 1 second. I'll promote you to panelist. Probably you can talk with the people. Okay. Right. And share your experience also. And meanwhile, all the people can opt for the batch 14 and listen to Nehru. Yeah, Nehru, you can come on video, bhai. Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
yeah. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible. You can come on video also if you...
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think
Yeah,
it's
it's
fine
okay.
now.
We can understand. Okay.
Please
So,
adjust with that lightings.
yeah, you are a bachelor, so these all things happens. Okay. So tell me, like, what offers you got, which batch you were part of, little bit on those ideas.
Yeah, sure. So, I was batch 12 member, as if you know, and
Mhm.
after more interview rounds, I got 3 offers. One is from EPAM,
Okay.
and the next is from Trimble, product-based company, and
Okay.
another one is from EYGDS, which is in Big Four, as you all know.
Hmm.
So, EPAM I already kind of declined because that was the date was gone, the joining date, and
Hmm.
another rest two is EYGDS and Trimble. So now I'm not sure which one can join because on the one side, Trimble is like product-based company where we can gain knowledge, but it's little far for me, and the package is little less from the EYGDS, which is in
What happened to EPAM?
EPAM, they given only 60 days joining date. Like in my company, it was 90 days notice period. I think we discussed on that in a
Okay. Okay.
So once they given the offer, using that, I did the counter offer with the product based company. So from 6 LPA to there, I got, I think it's 11 LPA. And in product based company, I got 12 LPA. Then in UIGDS, it's 13 LPA. So at last came here.
Okay. So
Thing
you
is,
have EYGDS offer and the other one?
Trimble. Trimble
Trimble.
INC.
Trimble. TRIMBLE.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. And both the locations, tell me, EYGDS, which location?
EYGDS is Chennai, and that is near to me. And
Okay.
Trimble is also Chennai, but little far.
Okay. Both are in Chennai.
Yeah, yeah, both are in
What
Chennai.
type of projects you are going to get?
Sorry.
What type of projects you are going to get? Anything you discussed with them?
Yeah. So in Trimble, it was purely DevOps because they like kind of described about the project um, kind of work style and the nature of the work. And this EYGDS is also DevOps only. They given in the offer letter as technical lead one two.
Oh, okay.
Whereas, but I inquired with the HR. She said that yes, you are taken for the project only, and it is DevOps kind of a platform engineer work, like something she
Understood.
said.
So before we discuss anything, I have few questions to ask you, as people are asking. First, how many years of experience and what people are looking in the interview? And how did you get help from batch 12?
Okay, yeah, sure. So I got this interview like following up with LinkedIn and Naukri.
Okay.
Then I particularly I focused on some companies that I have some kind of aim that I need to either join in a good service based company or should go with a product based company.
Mhm.
As I think you gave some companies list as well. So from that list, I started to kind of segregate what are the companies that in my wish list, and I started following them in the all the platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri, and on their company website as well. I think you gave the link as well in your course, so that
Yeah.
also helped me a lot.
Okay.
So yeah, from your course I gained a good knowledge. I supposed to say thanks for you. So like I mean like I was followed up with you in the platform that Hey DevOps, but I am not able to get your contact or something. So that's
Yeah.
why I got this
In the
email
class, we have discussed
accidentally.
many times. In the class, we
Yeah,
have discussed. I remember you faced many challenges. You were continuously talking,
of
asking
course.
questions in the
Yeah, yeah.
class. I remember. But good. So see, very honestly, I'm telling Trimble. I am not sure, brother. Okay, I have
Hmm.
heard also, and I'm seeing like maybe I'm not seeing the name or reviews in the Ambition or Glassdoor.
Hmm.
Probably you have to check that. EY has again two, three platforms under that pillar like
Yes,
Google has Google Operation Center, like other things, right? So EY has different centers, and I think EY GDS is different from the capital, like the parent EY. So have
of
you
course.
found that difference?
Yeah, yeah. EYGDS is global delivery services, whereas this it's a service based like similar TCS Wipro.
Hmm.
Whereas EY India is something internal one, I believe. I'm not
Oh,
sure on that part,
oh,
but it's purely for accounting, financial services, I believe.
okay.
EY India.
Got it.
So EYGDS, I believe it's similar to Deloitte, and I think it's KPMG something is there. Right? So
KPMG, yeah,
Big Four.
Deloitte, Big Four,
Yeah.
Big Four.
So yeah, those four guys are similar on that way.
So have
So
you checked that Trimble, the any Glassdoor reviews or anything? I'm not sure.
yeah, I checked it, and it's a product-based company mainly, and they focus on the automation sides for the construction and civil engineering side, and it have review point of four, I think 3.9 something. Trimble has. Whereas the
Okay.
EYGDS it's mainly having 3.5 only, but it's mainly mentioning that little pressure will be there on the project end, like managers, and
EY
so
is
that
EY is
will be.
definitely kind of a company where you will
Mm,
get good pressure. That's for sure.
of
So
course.
that is one. That is a takeaway in LinkedIn. Also, you will see that.
Mhm.
But coming on to the company wise, you talk with the people because I have nowhere touch with the Trimble. Very
Of course.
honest. I cannot
Got it.
tell you wrong things or right things without I knowing that. So
Understood.
the best thing is you connect with the people on LinkedIn, search for Trimble DevOps engineer or Trimble SRE engineer. You connect with them, what kind of work they are doing, like five people at least, like you talk with them. EY GDS, I am aware the work pressure. Before you told, I am aware like work pressure will be there. And it's kind of a company where you get good work along with good, like hard things will be there. Okay. So that's important for you
Yeah.
to know.
So, like, I just wanted like to get from you a suggestion that like is it good for us to for a career growth and to get knowledge wise product based one or service based one? Like on that perspective, like I heard that EY will have less time projects, like 3 months once, 4 months once projects will be changed in this location,
Oh. See, you
where
saw, right? What's my journey in Infosys?
yeah,
Four
yeah.
things I changed in 3.2 years.
Got it, got
Our
it.
ABA. So service-based company, learning will be more, but
Mm,
project-wise, like you told, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, like that. Whereas in the product-based, the package will be good, the facilities will be good, but the project will be same. You will be
yeah.
worked on the same task. I mean, like the same project. Okay. So the scope of learning will be little bit less, but the stability will be more in a product company.
You
So
mean like job security wise,
yeah,
right?
correct. True, true. Job security wise, the facilities wise, and the benefits. You would have got the offer from the HR, right?
Uh,
And probably she should have attached the benefits from the company also. Just check that if any
mhm.
benefits are added or not, you will be able to get that.
Got it, got it. Sure. So from
You,
your point, like I need to check with Trimble people and UI will be a good fit, right?
yeah, yeah, definitely. That's going to be like 100%. Because
Mm-hmm.
when you're talking about the product, definitely it's going to help you in scale things and
Mm-hmm.
stability will be more. So just
Stability.
check. get the what do you say, the benefits from the companies, analyze. Probably you can email me also. I can go over that, and I will also search, because when
Sure,
I
sure.
get some new things, I will search on the Google and all those things. But you connect with the people, that will be good. Okay.
Okay, okay.
But tell me,
Should
like,
we?
go ahead, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, fine. So should we need to consider on the work from like comfortableness now? I'm also thinking on that way because EYGDS is little. I mean, like it's near to my home, and it's hybrid of 2 days per week. But product based is 4 days a week and far. So on that perspective, we should not think, right? Like
No,
when I'll be
don't think
choosing
in
to
that way. The best is
area.
what you are going to get in the future. Now, distance, you are in Chennai only, you can shift. That should not be an
Mm.
issue. Okay. So one last question I will ask you.
Sure, sure,
How,
please.
what people are asking in interview? Tell your interview experience, some questions, some kind of strategy for everyone to follow who are joining batch 14 or who are going to join like the coming classes. What is your take?
Yep. So, like questions, to be honest, on that product-based company, the questions that you share as a kind of package that you share. So
Hmm.
from there, I believe 60 to 70% questions are there.
Hmm.
Rest is scenario-wise,
Okay.
and as we go for a little high profile companies like as I said EY or Deloitte or something, they are having some set of questions that 50% is from already known questions and little 50 is their expectations with the work and the project that they have already they are asking that. So on that basis the questions are asked in this companies.
Okay. So one thing, how did you prepare the scenario-based questions?
Yeah. So I think you shared one for Docker. You shared some scenario based, like four
Docker,
scenarios.
Kubernetes, Docker,
Um,
Kubernetes, Python, uh, uh, Kubernetes, Linux. These all things I remember I have shared. Uh,
yeah. So I remember one question came from that. It's multi-stage
Docker.
build. Yeah. So
Correct.
particularly they asked about that thing in I think it's in Trimble. I think so. So
Okay.
that they came there, and the rest is little it's like when we work on the platform, we will get that idea, right? It's
Hmm.
on the Azure side. As you know, I'm Azure Cloud Infra.
Correct.
So on that basis, they ask you some like that disaster backup, how you do with the cloud with
Hmm.
the ongoing on-prem. So
Got it.
those things they ask. So that was very helpful for me. So
Okay. Good. So what you are going to tell to the people who are joining batch 14? One last question and we will end this. Tell.
uh, yeah, it's very kind of good and I think yeah, people will sure get good knowledge on the DevOps side because your training was that much enough for to get a job, at least in a good company.
Great. So
So
thanks a lot, Nehru. All
yeah,
the best. Just
thank you.
check if you have any questions, email. Definitely,
Sure,
I'll.
sure.
Okay. So
So
thanks a lot for your time. Yeah.
thank you for addressing my queries. Thank you
No,
very
no
much.
problem. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Great. So that was Nehru. So it's time for me to give you the drive link. Sorry, as I was talking, I couldn't update it. So let me update the drive link. You can take it, share, and just 1 second. Restricted access to anyone with this link. Okay, guys, I'm giving you all the access to download the documents. Please don't delete it. Again, a humble request. Okay, don't delete the document. Just click on download. Okay, our request. If you are deleting, someone will be there because I'm giving you all access. You will delete it, I know, but don't delete it. Just try to get the data. I have shared the drive link. See, three times I have shared the drive link. So you can download it accordingly. Okay. Yes, 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours of teachings we will do. And the doubt session mostly will be on the Wednesday or 30 minutes in the same class. Okay. Okay, so let me share the screen for you so that we can discuss some more things on the batch 14 side. So yes, those who are asking, this will be your course schedule. What will you learn? I have shared it clearly with all the people. You can see here, as Nehru was mentioning the scenarios. This will be your scenarios. Where are the scenarios? Yeah, some scenarios will be like this here, as you are seeing. Python will be there, obviously. AWS Azure will be there. Some more things will be there. Assignments will be there. And the complete course curriculum, you can see one by one, one by one. Okay. As like this, you can see. Okay. Terraform Ansible is also there. Screen is shared, right? All of you? Screen is shared? Yes? No? Yeah, right? Yes. Okay. So Terraform Ansible will also be there. If you are telling no, I will be sharing one more time. Okay, now is it shared? Yes. Okay, so yeah, so these are the tools which you are seeing. Okay, so just have a check. Jagdish, we will announce in the coming week. Okay, so don't worry about that. You're going to get all the Zoom links, every detail of the batch 14. Suresh, a little bit you can join because we are going to do some hands-on tomorrow. So definitely you can join. No issues in that. Any questions you have, please let me know. Guys, you all have the access, right, to the drive link. Have you downloaded? Downloading without deleting. Thank you, brother. You will have access. See, all of you have access. Okay. Now don't tell me like you don't have access. Don't request for access. What happened? Let me check why you are telling this one. Okay, someone deleted the files. I know. At least one person will be there who will do that. Okay, guys, wait. Someone have deleted it. Yeah. Someone has deleted it, so I have to make it back. Okay, guys, wait. We will do one thing. How many of you are in WhatsApp? You are there, na? Few people are there in WhatsApp, right? Okay, we will update in WhatsApp as well as we will update in website. Okay, done? Good? Is that good? Because I know people will delete, but I trusted you. Someone deleted it. Total 3 files, someone deleted it. So no issues, okay? So one last call. Anyone who is still interested to enroll for batch 14? Yes, no? Yes, no? Yes? Okay. Oh, okay. All of you see here, whoever has enrolled for batch 14 today, wait for few more days. You will get the details in your website itself. Okay. There will be some videos attached. There will be live sessions rolling out. All right. And if anyone is interested, along with your friends, let's say your friends want to combine studies with you, you want to form a group with your friends, like Yamini is there, Yashwant is there, maybe Praveen is there. You three can form a group and enroll. Okay, you can share the link with your friends and ask them to enroll. Okay, right. So that is there for this day. And great. You want to join batch 14 also, Prem, right? So Prem, you are from batch 13. We can definitely help you. You can email us. We will verify your details and help you. Okay. Okay. Any questions for batch 14? Any questions? Yamini, don't worry. This document will be uploaded in website under the free DevOps course. Okay, don't worry. Any questions you have? Yes, mock will be same as real interviews. I will take the mock interview. I will be conducting every class. No batch 15, batch 14, right? Nagaraju, you can see any teachings of mine. You can go over that. Okay, great. So this is the batch 14 link. You can get it. Kubernetes will be covered. Yes, Shrikant. Yes. Kavya, if you are asking for batch 14, you have to wait. Okay. Right. Mock interview I will do, guys. I am telling mock interviews I will take. Okay. I will take in batch 14. Yes, Pooja, that's what I have seen your name somewhere. I was thinking like where I have seen like Pooja's name. Okay. Now I remember you're from previous batch. Yes, Pooja, you can definitely join, provided you are looking out for a job in the next few months. Okay. You want to brush your skills, you want to upskill, then definitely. Yes, definitely you can join. No issues in that. You have to see this link. Almost all tool covered in course. Yes. Yes. See, someone has deleted this link. So I can't do anything. Yes, I will be teaching YAML scripting. I will be teaching shell scripting also in batch 14. Okay. So how many people are there? Okay. 3 people are there. Okay. Let's close this, guys. Okay. Let's close this. Who are still interested? Let me ask this question. 3 people, last 3 people. Chalo. One last final call. Only 3 people. Who are those who want to upskill? Vizag, bhai, you join. Okay. Yes. Yes. Registered users. Sunil, 1 to 1. Okay. Okay. Who will be the 3 people? Anyone who is planning? No. Yes. Names. Yes. Okay. 1, 2. Jatish is there. Lokesh is there. And final one, Sagar. Okay. So I'm sharing the link by complete your registration in 5 minutes. And we will talk in the coming class with you all. Okay. DSA is little bit needed. Okay. But no issues. Okay. Right. Three people. We will wait. Yes, Lokesh, ask. I'm waiting. Yes. Only weekend classes. Yes. Only weekend classes. Yes. Swati. Yes. If you are creating reports in DevOps, it will help. Yes, Lokesh, DBA can convert into DevOps. Okay. Yes, Omar, thank you for joining. Yes, Lokesh. Yes, definitely. No, Shesha, 6 p.m. Okay. You don't get confused. Hari, sorry, please ask me. Sir, my connection is poor, so join again. Okay, please share the. I will update in the website. Okay, no issues. Yes, Lokesh, yes. It depends on many factors, but yes. Registered, but I can see tag batch 12 and 13. Sagar, how did you got batch 12 and 13? Okay. Yes, Likit, definitely. After completing batch 14, we'll be ready with the. Yes, definitely. Yes. Can I get direct access to batch 14 or do I need to anything else? I already left the job and actively searching for placement. Pooja, you have to enroll again, right? But because you are a batch 12 student, we can help you. You can email with your batch 12 registered details. Okay. Okay. So guys, tomorrow we will meet again at 6 p.m. We will do some hands-on topics on Linux and we will move forward. Thanks a lot for joining. Those who are interested, you can still enroll for batch 14 and complete those 3 seats, right, by today. And once you are completing, you will get the batch 14 access also in the drive link. So the 3 people who are there, you can enroll, like Jagdish or some 3 people you have told. Drive link, don't worry, I will update in the free DevOps course itself. Okay. The drive link, all the documents I will upload in the free DevOps class module itself. Okay. Right. So 3 people who are there, please enroll, share your friends also. Right. And once this 4250 price is changed, you will see the change. Okay. Accordingly. Right. So same thing goes with the YouTube people also. You can check all the details in this link again. Okay. And thanks a lot. I hope today's session was fruitful. At least you have learned some basics to coding structure, functionality, and all those things. So that's great. Documents will be uploaded in the website. You can check that in the WhatsApp group also we will share. So thanks a lot, those who have joined, and please take care. And 3 people, I will still wait for your 3 people, and let's continue the learnings. Okay. You can, those who have enrolled, you can share it with your friends also. This is our website. This link is our website. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining. Please take care. Any questions, any queries, and people who are watching on YouTube, please share your questions, queries. Okay. And we will meet in the tomorrow's class. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.